If local overheating occurs during the finishing of workpieces made of hardened steel, this can lead to damaging changes in the surface quality. In grinding, this is called grinding burn. So-called tempering or rehardening zones are created. Nidal etching is the oldest test method for detecting grinding burn. The different acid resistance of the various zones creates a contrast that allows the affected areas to be identified. The standards for grinding burn etching call for periodic inspection of the process using parts with known damage. However, in the case of parts from production, the exact extent is not known. The reference blocks in the IMPQ-NE test set are made of hardened steel and are provided with graduated damage. These are comparable to those that can occur under unfavorable conditions during grinding. However, the laser process can be used to produce the zones in a targeted and reproducible manner. The laser marks are not visible in the unetched state as shown here on the left. The other two comparative specimens show the condition after etching. Changes, such as aging of the chemicals, manifest themselves in a changed etching pattern. To supervise the nidal etching, the initial state is first recorded. In a freshly prepared etching bath, a reference block is etched under ideal conditions. The image obtained shows a fingerprint of the etching procedure. The result is recorded, and the reference block is preserved with varnish or oil. To check the procedure, after a certain period of use of the etching baths, another reference body is regularly etched, and the result is compared with the initial state. The video shows cleaning, etching, and preservation. The evaluation is done with the help of a gray scale. The uniformity of the discoloration, the basic gray value achieved, and the detectability of the laser marks are evaluated. If the deviations from the initial state are too great, suitable actions can follow, such as the preparation of fresh etching baths. Use the NE test set for the education and training of testing personnel, the periodic monitoring of the etch media of automatic and manual etching systems, or control rarely used etching chemicals. Finally, the reference blocks can be used in the context of supplier audits. Thereby, the correct performance and evaluation of the etching process can be checked within a short time. The advantages are a higher sensitivity compared to the commonly used pH value measurement, the rapid availability of the results, and you can use the comparison blocks several times. We will be happy to support you with further topics on grinding burn testing, the production of grinding burn defects for non-destructive material testing, training and examination of personnel in grinding burn etching according to ISO 14104, AMS 2649, and SAE ARP 1923B. Grinding burn testing according to ISO 14104 and AMS 2649 is contract testing. Planning and installation of etching laboratories for wet chemical grinding burn testing. Please feel free to contact our sales staff.